Hey guys, quick update on Machinist School. I made these two pieces. First one was a center drill holder for my tailstock right back here. This guy was a lot of fun. I cut a Morse taper. It's a self-holding taper. Take the tailstock, put the center drill in, and the taper keeps it together. So there's nothing holding it in other than just the taper. And then the only way to get it out is you have to have a force to push it out. So if you back out the tailstock, it will push it out. So that's what I did. Cut a Morse taper. Now I've made a tool that I can use in my home lathe. Here you can see the blueprint. This was for a Morse taper 3, I think. And I used a Morse taper 2 in my home lathe, so I had to adjust it and make a count for the different taper. That was a fun challenge. So that's the first project. Second project that I wanted to show you was this. It's called a boring press fit project. Just basically to practice boring out an inner diameter. And then the press fit aspect of it is, well, you want to make this inside piece 1,000th bigger than the outside piece so that they have to be pushed together with an arbor press. So this is my first time using an arbor press. I'll let you see the video of me sort of trying to get it, these two pieces put together. So it's a little embarrassing, but you know, the arbor press wasn't mounted to a table, so I couldn't really get the leverage that I needed. So I went back, and to finish the job, I actually used a hydraulic press that we found in the diesel classroom and made quick work of it. So anyway, those are two fun projects that I did in school. One was just a little, not really a useful tool, but a good principle to learn, you know, tolerances and press fit. The other one is an actual tool that I can use. So thanks for watching this quick little update. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content and follow this crazy journey that I am taking into Machinist School. Also check me out on Instagram. I do a lot of like Instagram stories as I'm like making little things in Machinist School. And it's a lot of fun. So, okay, that's it. I'll see you on the next one.